My name's Jeremiah Gebhardt. I'm with Mid-Missouri Agri Systems. We're a local grain bin and drone dealer. I'm from Salisbury, Missouri. A lot of our spray drones are row crops, so corn, soybeans, and wheat fungicide is the majority of our business. We'll do some spot spraying and some pecan groves, maybe a couple orchards now and then, but row crops are where we shine at. I was first introduced to spray drones in 2021 by Taylor Moreland at a Mizzou cover crop conference. There he was talking about the DJI T30. I thought it really looked like a good investment. I went home, did some research, thought I could pull it off, and here we are today. I became a dealer because I thought it was a growing enterprise. I saw a lot of local farmers start to ask questions when I was doing custom application about where they could get support, where they could get service, and eventually buy their own drone one day. I thought, what better place than open up my own dealership and do that? I chose Agri Spray Drones really because their model, support, service, and education. I really see them shine in the support and service. They're really unmatched in that. They are constantly trying to educate those surrounding the industry and looking to get into the industry, and I really aspire to be a dealer like that. Like I said, that education of becoming a dealer, going from custom application to becoming a dealer is a big step. When guys are coming to you asking the questions, it's always great to have a good resource like Agri Spray to rely on and ask them for advice and help and kind of walk you through that path. My cam is Trey. He's awesome. He shows up to demo days. He always answers the phone. He adds on to that service really, and the education, but really the service of wanting to be there and for you to rely on him whenever you need anything. The J150's been a powerhouse. It's really a workhorse of a drone. The 20-gallon tank is a huge upgrade. I was originally running with T50s last summer. I switched it over to the J150 and I've covered 8,000 acres with it and have had minimal issues. It's awesome getting to see a drone fly 45 feet per second and still terrain follow with little to no issues. So it's really a cool drone to watch. I'm excited to see what they come out with in the future. You know, I always feel like Agri Spray's looking for the next best thing, no matter whether it's in drones or accessories to drones or just the auto steer or some new market they're looking at. They're always coming out with the new next big thing, and it gets exciting. I really want to thank Agri Spray Drones for always being there for support and service. If you need to contact me, my name's Jeremiah Gebhardt with Mid-Missouri Agri Systems. Phone number is 660-414-5652.